Everyone, myself Narendra Babu. Here I am discussing about exploring cyber intelligence alternatives for countering cybercrime. And here the abstract that case study has turned to HAC website an attempt to find action in the prevailing cyber laws and the IT Act 2000 and related Amendment Act 2008. C13 and ICANN's organizations. Introduction: Intelligence, Artificial Intelligence, Web Intelligence, Cyber Intelligence. Second one, cybercrime and forensics. Cybercrime definition. Cybercrime perpetrated against a nation. A case study and a state emblem of India Prohibition of Improper Use Act 2005 for regulation of commercial and improper usage of emblem of India. Description of national anthem. Emblem. B. Provisions. No person can use the emblem or any colorable imitation in a manner so as to create an impression that it is associated with or an official document of the central government or state government, as the case may be, without taking permission of the approved government. No person can use the emblem for commercial purpose or as a part of patient life, trademark or design except in cases as prescribed by the central government. Registration of intellectual property containing the emblem is prohibited. And the last one is central government has the power for to regulate and make rules for proper usage of the emblem. And the last C is usage. The official seal shall have the emblem enclosed in an oval or a round frame, the name of the ministry or department written within the frame. State government can use the emblem or a part of it after taking permission from the central government, and the emblem can be displayed on important government building like Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, Supreme Court and Central Secretariat, Rajbhavan or Rajnivas and state legislature, high courts and secretariat buildings of the states or the Indian natives, premises of India's diplomatic mission abroad, Indian consulates abroad, and the state emblem of India, Regulation of Use Rules 2007 lays down the persons who can use the emblem in official stationers, cars, etc. Next. CERT, Computer Emergency Response Team, that is team of experts at CMU, plays key role in elimination of malware and computer forms of internet. CERT, that is in India Computer Emergency Response Team and formed in 2004. Motto is handling computer security incidents and functions. These are the functions in the area of cyber security. First one is collection, analysis, and dissemination of information on cyber incidents and forecast and analysis of cyber security incidents. Emergency measures for handling cyber security incidents, coordination of cyber incident response activities, and fifth one is issue guidelines, advice, vulnerability notes, and white papers relating to information security practices, procedures, prevention, response, and reporting of cyber incidents. Such these functions or such other functions related to cyber security as may be prescribed. And fifth one is Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, ICANN. CANN coordinates the Internet Assigned Number Authority functions. Key technical services critical to the continued operations of the Internet underlying address book. The domain name system, the IANA functions includes, and these are the functions for the IANA. And first one, the coordination of the assignment of Tinker protocol parameters include the management of the address and routing parameter area, top level domain. And second one, the administration of certain responsibility associated with Internet DNS root zone management, such as generic and country code top level domains. And third, the allocation of internet number resources and other sources, other services. RIPE NCC, one of our regional internet registries, that is provides internet resource allocation, registration services, and coordination advice that support the operation of the internet globally. And sixth is cyber laws versus Indian context. Legal issues related to use of the internet. These are the domain areas, that is internet access and usage, and privacy, freedom of expression, and jurisdiction. And provide legal recognition to e-documents, and provide a framework to support e-filing and e-commerce transactions, and provide a legal framework to mitigate and check cybercrimes in India. No thorough controls for the national authorities to check and eliminate the cybercrime perpetrated against the nation and its peoples. Indian laws are not able to devise mechanisms together with Internet Engineering Task Force, that is the ATF, successfully for controlling the cyberspace. Cyber laws should be regulated such that their prevalence and provisions do not cause any threat to national sovereignty across the world. And these are the conclusions which may made the project. And first one, new semantic of intelligence, which are distinguished from generation in the context of advanced in the fields of ICTs, and explore cyber intelligence and cybercrime with by reporting a case study approach. And the example of JNTH websites could mean that the clues evidence of cybercrime could be difficult to capture for a general forensic expert. For example, in our case study, by manipulating the image file in the home page, the clues of cybercrime can easily be made to disappear. It is presented that the usage of the state emblem of India in a website in a way that is prohibited by the state emblem of India. It is Act 2005 is a crime cybercrime perpetrated against India by an organized group known as JNDJ, which is a complete group committing a cognizable. And it is felt the cyber laws are not well allowed to map the cybercrimes with the resident